So hello friends, this is an urgent turn on the crypto market. Now a very important moment is happening on the market judging by the Bitcoin chart and by the altcoin chart, including yes. Let's start with Bitcoin right away. We will not slow down in the cart who has already read. Everyone perfectly understands what is happening at the moment on the Bitcoin chart. That is, I threw a trading setup in our cart in the first place and said that friends are now removing the bottom liquidity local again. Yes, let's open the setup with the Telegram channel, and here you see yes, I expected a return to the range, back to the range of work, that is, above 80,200, and from here it would already be correct to collect long and work from long. We see our current Bitcoin chart. We open the current Bitcoin chart. Here you can perfectly see what is happening at the moment, that is, here is our local range again on Bitcoin to the lower border 82,200, top border 82,500, and see how just clearly and correctly the Bitcoin chart is now working out in this range. That is, we came to the lower the border of this range, just removed liquidity below this range, removing all the liquidity, as you already understand. Yes, we came exactly to this dense volume trade. Yes, here we have our current support in the form of this blue block. There was just we have a tight trade in the range of 79,900 and 79,600. We quickly removed the round 80,000 psychological mark and see how quickly we return to this range. That is, we literally once with one candle removed the round 80, collected all this lower liquidity, and again with the switch quickly came and returned to this range of work where you can already consider some long positions, where I personally again consider long positions. Again, this is not a financial recommendation, not a financial advice. In any case, I only publish my personal opinion as the author of this video. When and at the moment we see now, just after removing the circular 80,000 cheerful bribery, yes, and the potential of this manipulation, just the same, we can measure now using the Fibonacci expansion tool, take the lower and upper marks of this range of work and just the same minimum. Now at the moment the zone where we can come to the expansion of FIBO is above 85,000, that is, at the moment, in the near future. Again, this is 85 description of this video on our cart. They know perfectly well that my Bitcoin goals are much higher, that is, if I open a weekly chart, let me briefly show you. From a V-shaped turn, we have potential levels now in which